Mestilah Ida tak ada konten dah sekarang. Ada ala video hari tu pun tak edit. Hi guys. So hari ni kita nak pergi mana?
Hari ni nak pergi beli coklat.
Kita tanya Afiq, mana duit? And then he said later but today. Okay, nanti kita record lagi kat sana.
Sangat sangat je tu. Naik dia merajuk. Nanti sedut balik. Naik dia merajuk. It's okay. Sedut taiknya.
Aku benar.
Aku tu. So sorry.
Dia orang Kelantan memang macam ni.
Hey.
Kenapa kat sini hujan? Kat sana tak
Ni orang apa?
Selangor.
apa gini ni.
Ni orang apa?
Bagi lams. Bagi lams.
Bagi lams. Bagi lams.
Bagi lebo. Ya, bosai lah.
Okey lah, sambung ke Aram.
Hai pula.
Condemn.
Don't let her angry, okay? Itulah. They work little bit je. Yeah. But work a lot. But they claim like they do a lot of work. Like us. Big climb and nanti Hana terpaksa ikut kita orang. Yeah. Before the papers, you know.
Ah,
Big flower. Oh my god, why? Raining but not cerah. Passive club, I guess. Passive club, I don't think so. Or it's originally David. I think the raining memang here lah.
what are they talking about ah?
I don't know. Wait, ui. Ramainya manusia.
Kacip bahasa Inggeris apa?
Kacip. Alamak, I don't know.
Apa pula? Aduh. Cik pun ada bahasa Inggeris ke?
Tak tahu ah. Jom kita Google.
Cik dia hayal weh dalam bahasa
Apa?
Hayal weh dalam bahasa Inggeris. Hayal. Cik pun sama lah hayal.
Khayal.
Baby come back.
Khayal in English.
Kok mana babinya? Kok mana?
Apa?
Kok mana
What?
babinya?
Mana apa ni?
Bebo.
Soon after.
So kita dekat Bangi Gateway. Hujang le. Nak makan apa?
Don't know. I don't want to think. If I think, I nasi kandang.
Nasi kandar only.
Ya. Sebabnya
Nasi kandar lagi. Minggu lepas dah nasi kandar 2 kali dah. Okay.
itu 2 kali.
2 kali? Ke sekali je?
Sekali je dah kan?
Lepas tu yang hari sekali lagi tu bila?
Last 2 weeks.
Oh. Tiap-tiap minggu nasi kandar.
Terus nasi kandar. So sedap. 10/10. But I already eat
You already eat?
nasi ayam gepuk last
So kiranya kau nak makan apa?
yesterday. I don't know. I think
Macam ramai je.
Ramai.
So memang terpaksa.
You all people want to eat what? You all people nothing. What Ahmad? Ahmad then. You tak gaji lagi. Nasi kandar je lah. Let's go nasi kandar. Wah, nasi kandar.
Bila duit aku nak masuk?
You eat what? Nasi ayam. Di semua Fana. Dia tunjuk hari tu.
Oh.
I cannot. Banyak risik je. The chocolate is very cheap, you know? Yeah.
Tomorrow we go.
Tomorrow we go.
Tomorrow we go.
Tengok ni.
Ada pita sini.
I think that's all.